I want to show you guys these boxes that were sent to me. These boxes are straight fire for your sneakers. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Go cop. Trust me, these are better than your typical drop front containers by, you know, the Container Store. So to start off, quality, build quality, it is plastic. However, it is a lot more durable and a lot sturdier than your typical Container Store drop front. Drop front itself, boom. Just like that. It is very, very simple to open. Very good plastic. These do not break off, and they are magnetic, which is dope. With the Container Store drop fronts, honestly, these break off. They're very easy to break off, and they're not great quality. It's not great plastic, and it kind of clicks in there. You have to force it in. This is just a magnet, closes by itself. One dope feature I really like about these boxes is that they're completely see-through. Unlike the Container Store, they're not completely see-through, just the front is, and the side you can't really see. With these new boxes, you could see right through all the way. The quality is much better plastic, and of course, they're stackable. These are straight fire, and they're not expensive. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Go cop. My whole sneaker collection is the drop front containers. I do have more over there, and I have more in another room. However, I most likely will be changing this over to the new drop front boxes. Make sure you guys check them out. Link is down below in the description. I'm giving away a pair of Lightning Force for completely free. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the link down below in the description. You'll go to my last video, the giveaway video. On that video, like the video, comment your size, and leave your Instagram down below in the comments of that video. And good luck. I'll be picking a winner from the comments of that video. I'll be picking a winner in a few days. We're going to talk about a recent Jordan 1 release that is a great investment. I cannot express this enough. This Jordan 1 is guaranteed to go up in price a good amount of money, because this Jordan 1 is too cheap right now. It's too undervalued. Let's talk about it. The Air Jordan 1 Low Starfish, also known as the Shattered Backboard. This sneaker, man, so underrated, so underappreciated, and so undervalued. This Jordan 1, I promise you guys, is going up in price. Right now, they're at around 200, 210, 220. Guys, buy these pairs. Eat them up. Eat them up for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Go out there, go buy pairs, because this sneaker is going up like crazy in price. I want to talk about a few other Jordans, a few other ones that are in relation to this sneaker and why I say this sneaker is going to go up. First of all, let's go with other Jordan 1 lows. Take a look at the Bread 1 low, the Royal 1 low, the Shadow 1 low. A bunch of Jordan 1 lows, OG colorways, have all gone up in price. Sure, they've taken years in some cases to go up in price. However, the hype nowadays is a little different than it was back in, 2015, 2016, when Jordan 1 lows were really coming out in the OG form, and Jordan Brand was giving us to them. They weren't selling out too much. They were selling out, sitting on shelves, and there was no resale like that. So, but that being said, nowadays, look at the market, they're all $700, $800 sneakers. This sneaker, being at around $200 to $220, is very undervalued. This Jordan 1 low has got to go up double, if not more, in price. They really have to, because, like I said, of all the Jordan 1 lows that have gone up in price, but the colorway, guys, this is a Shattered Backboard colorway. Jordan Brand's not calling it Shattered Backboard, they're calling it Starfish, to go with, I guess, the Starfish theme from what we're calling the Shattered Backboard 3.0. Remember those? Remember those? When no one wanted those? When I told you guys, don't sell them, hold on to them, and look what happened. Same thing here, guys. Hold on to the Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 low, also known as the Starfish Jordan 1 low. Hold on to your pairs. Do not sell this sneaker. They're going up like crazy in price. If you have capital, go out there and go buy pairs. Eat them up, like I said, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Go eat up pairs. Try to spend around Try to get a bunch of pairs at around $200. Hold on to them. I don't think it's going to take too long for this one. I really don't. I want to say within the next 6 months, these are going to, do some crazy numbers. These are going to do really well. This is a really good investment. I'm really happy about this investment. I don't have pairs. That's why you don't see me unboxing the sneaker right now. So I'm gonna make a call to you guys to shoot me a DM on Instagram if you have pairs for sale. I'm looking to cop because I need to invest in this Jordan 1 Low myself. This is a dope Jordan 1 Low investment that, guys, around 200 bucks, they're gonna go to $400, $350, $400, $450, even $500. Hold them. Go buy pairs. Hold them. It's a great investment. If you want to invest in the Jordan 1 Low Starfish, I recommend men's sizes. Not really grade school too much. They will go up in price. All pairs will go up in price, but men's will hit hard, especially the bigger sizes. The bigger sizes are going to do numbers in the future. Really, 8 through 12, 8 through 13 would be the way you want to go, though. You could also invest in the women's pairs. However, I would just do men's because they do look the same, but for some reason, just women's sneakers take longer to go up in price, even though the sneaker could be exactly the same. So make sure you guys go for men's pairs, 8 through 12, 8 through 13. Not so much grade school. If you want to get some grade school, go ahead. They'll definitely go up, but I definitely think they'll take a little bit longer. This is a great men's investment. Jordan 1 Low men's Starfish. Just a great investment. Go out there, go cop pairs. You're going to make a lot of money. If you have capital, hold on to pairs or go out there and buy pairs. If you do not have capital and you don't have a lot of money to be sitting on, you don't have a lot of inventory, then go out there and sell this sneaker and take that money, that quick flip, and put that money into more quick flips so that you can build your capital. You need to build your capital before you start holding sneakers. You don't want to hold just 1 or 2 pairs. What's the real point in that? You want to hold a bunch of pairs so you can make a bunch more money. So make sure you guys go out there, do your quick flips, and get your capital up so that you can do holds like this Starfish Jordan 1 Low. Let me know what you think about the Jordan 1 Starfish Low down below in the comments. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Do you agree with me? Do you think resale is going up like crazy on this sneaker? Let me know how you feel down below. One more thing, I also feel like they're gonna go up in price because the Jordan 1 Low hype right now is very high. Thanks, Trav. Thanks, Travis Scott, of course. So I definitely think these are gonna go way up and do really, really good numbers very, very quickly, rather quickly than, you know, take a long time like some other Jordan 1 Lows have. With that being said, let me know what you guys think about them. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always driving that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.